Hello students, welcome back to the Principles of Economics. Today we are going to study the second definition of economics, that is welfare definition. The welfare definition of economics is an attempt by Professor Alfred Marshall. This definition expands the field of economic science to a larger study of humanity. Specifically, Marshall's view is that economics studies all the actions that people take in order to achieve economic welfare. In the words of Marshall, man earns money to get material welfare. This is why economists since Marshall have described its definition as the welfare definition of economics. This definition enlarged the scope of economic science by emphasizing the study of wealth and humanity together, rather than wealth alone. So let us see the definition. Welfare definition. Alfred Marshall wrote a book, Principles of Economics, published in the year 1890. In it, he defined economics as political economy, or economics is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It examines that part of individual and social action which is most closely connected with the attainment and with the use of the material requisites of well-being. Thus, economics is on the one side a study of wealth, and on the other and more important side a part of the study of man. Let us see the features of welfare definition. Economics is a study of those activities that are concerned with material welfare of man. Economics deals with the study of man in ordinary business of life. The study inquires how an individual gets his income and how he uses it. Economics is the study of personal and social activities concerned with material aspects of well-being. Marshall emphasized on definition of material welfare. Herein lies the distinction with Adam Smith's definition, which is wealth-centric. So, economics is a study of humankind. Human life has several aspects like social, religious, economic, and political. But economics is concerned only with economic aspects of life. In its definition, the promotion of welfare is the ultimate goal, but the term welfare is used in narrow sense to meet material welfare only. So Marshall clearly explains that economic activity is different from other activity. For example, if a student visits a friend who is ill, it is kind of social activity. If a person gives his vote in an election, it is a political activity. And if a person goes to church, mosque, or temple, it is a religious activity. Marshall defines economic activity as separate from the above activities. For example, a farmer who toils in the field, or a worker on an assembly, or performing an economic activity. They work to increase their material welfare, primarily by earning money. Money buys goods or services that satisfy wants. In other words, economics deals with efforts, wants, and satisfaction of those wants. Marshall's definition has been criticized by more recent economists, including Lionel Robbins. Robbins criticized welfare definition. Let us see few criticisms of welfare definition. Notion of material welfare. It ignores fundamental problem of scarcity. What they say is the welfare definition of Marshall narrows down the scope of economics. Marshall distinguishes between material and non-material welfare and confines economics to the study of material welfare. Robbins feels that economists should not limit their attention to material welfare. There are things that are non-material, but they promote human welfare. It also assumes equivalency between welfare and economic activity. For Robbins, there are economic activities which do not promote human welfare, for example, a sale of alcohol or drug. Moreover, it is a vague concept. According to Robbins, welfare is a vague concept to use to define economics because it is very subjective. Economics is quantitative science, but welfare cannot be measured, and two persons cannot agree on what creates or improves welfare. Yeah, this is about a welfare definition. Thank you for watching.